What's up guys, this is Cody Winkler on the UNT men's golf team. Today I'm going to take you on a day in my life at UNT. Let's go. Morning everybody. Just woke up bright and early. It is 5:05 in the morning. To start my day, I usually do a little devo in my Bible out on the back porch. After that, on Tuesday and Thursday, we have team workouts as well as Friday mornings. All right, so now we're walking into the facility. We got Coach Calcaterra here, ready to work out.
Let's get it.
We're gonna go get a good lift. So this morning was like a CrossFit workout. We did what's called an EMOM, every minute on the minute. Just finished up the workout. Now the boys are heading to get the protein shakes. 20 years ago, college golf teams probably didn't work out, and now we work out 3 times a week. The biggest reason I chose UNT was it's not too far from home. The facilities are unbeatable. I mean, we have a top 3 facility in the country between Bruzzi's, Marido Golf Club, and Denton Country Club. There's not a thing we're missing that the highest ranked program has that we don't. All right guys, this is Bruzzi's, our on-campus practice facility. It's named after Bruzzy Restheimer. He's our big sponsor. Let's go for a tour. So guys, this is our main entrance with a few trophy cases. We got a bunch of trophies in here from conference championships. And then back here, we got the same thing with all of our accomplishments. All right guys, so this is a big living room area with a big half circle couch you can fit the whole team on. So here I am with the photos. There's a pretty cool guy right here. This is Cody Winkler, he's pretty good. So this is my favorite part of the facility, the kitchen. Kayla, our nutritionist, does a great job of keeping it stocked every week. We've got everything we need with healthy snacks and foods and electrolytes to power us through practice. This is our putt view room. This is probably the coolest thing in the facility. It helps us work on our putting because it has sensors in the ceiling that shine down and show the line into the hole. This is our TrackMan hitting bay. It's got a TrackMan in it so we can track all of our numbers, shots, and everything. There's a wall, watch out for that. So this is a big simulator. We have force plates on the ground right here to let us know where our balance is throughout the golf swing. So the last thing I want to show you is our outdoor facility. It's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. All right guys, this is our outdoor driving range with all of our hitting targets out here. They range from 20 yards all the way out to 300 yards. We got a big tee area right here. We've got a chipping green over there. Over here is our big putting green. We've got everything we need to be the best player we can be. After practice, I have class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 2 o'clock and 3:30. What's up guys, it's 3 o'clock, so it's time to head across campus to Sage Hall for my 3:30 lecture. On Tuesdays, I have what's called BASS 3020, Inquiry and Discovery. The reason I chose Bachelor of Arts in Applied Sciences, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I chose it because I could focus on 2 different things. Between kinesiology and sports management, I loved learning about the body and the fitness side of things and physical therapy and kinesiology, but I also wanted to know how to manage sports. And so sports management was a big part of it, so I could learn that side of just athletics in general. One of the things that's great about UNT is the professors are extremely helpful. Being on the golf team, I miss a lot of class for tournaments and events, and they're super understanding and willing to work with us on days we're out, taking exams early or late, just helping us out in whatever way they can since we're not able to be there all the time. And that's big for me because I was at another university where it wasn't always like that. And the fact that they're willing to help us out here and work with us throughout the season is huge. In the evening, after everything slows down, I cook every night, usually something simple like chicken. It's important to me to cook my own food because I know what I'm putting in my body, make sure my plate's full. No vegetables though. The only green in my life is the mean green. You know, I've been up since 5 in the morning, worked out, practiced. So I'm pretty tired. I just kind of rest, do some homework, and then usually my roommate Tucker and I will finish the night with some ping pong. We love playing ping pong. It gets really competitive. 4 left. Guys, thanks for joining me on a day in my life at UNT. Hope you enjoyed seeing the facility and everything I do as a student athlete here. You gonna go another round?
Bet.
Ball's down here. Yeah.